Hi everyone, this is my 2001 SABo John Deere R43V rotary mower. Self-propelled, of course. Here's the dead man. Here's the self-drive. Gearbox all works because it doesn't pull back. Throttle control. Speed control, but that needs fixing. I'm getting it done this summer. And yeah, it's in pretty good age, well, pretty good nick for its age, to be honest. Yeah, what does everyone think? Got obviously the signs of rust because of its age, but apart from that, it does its job. It's all original. No rips in the grass box. It's all original. Yep. Let me know what you think.